Well, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Spitterhouse, and I'm your in-flight manager on board this flight to London's Heathrow Terminal 5. We've been looking forward to welcoming you back to the skies and connecting you with friends and family. Working with me today in Club Europe is Frank, and in Eurotraveller we have Andrew, Mel, and Damien. Will be available for the rest of the flight if there's anything that you need. I'd also like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our Executive Club members and One World frequent flyers. If there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, then please do let us know. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. Pre-purchased duty-free will be delivered at the first meal service. For further details on our duty-free and gifting experience, or to purchase duty-free for a future flight or home delivery, just visit ba.com and then follow the prompts to the Highline shop. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like once again to take this opportunity to share with you some important information about our new hygiene and safe distancing measures in flight. We ask that you stay in your seat as much as possible and avoid walking around the cabin or queuing in the galley areas. Before using the toilets, we ask that you check the green vacant signs are lit to avoid waiting in line. We require all customers to wear a face mask at all times during the flight, out of respect and for the benefit of your fellow customers and our crew. When wearing your mask, it's important that it covers your mouth and nose, such as the masks my team are wearing. A reminder that masks may only be removed for a reasonably short period when you are actively consuming food and drink.